Hello everyone, Tomai Sekeseke here. Welcome to this video. Welcome to this channel. This is day 52 of my 100-day challenge. Today I am bringing you something short, quick and very practical. 1 minute English tips to sound more natural when you speak. Tip 1. Use contractions. Instead of saying I'm going, say I'm going. Instead of you are right, say you're right. This is how native speakers talk in real life. Tip 2. Replace textbook words with natural ones. We often learn I'm very angry, but natives usually say I'm starving. Instead of I am very tired, you'll hear I'm exhausted. This small change makes you sound more natural. Tip 3. Use fillers wisely. Don't be afraid to use little words like well, you know, actually. They make your English flow more naturally, just like in a real conversation. Tip 4. Intonation matters. It's not just the words, it's the music of English. Try going up to this end. It's the music of English. Try going up at the end when you ask a question. Really? Are you sure? It changes everything. So, here's the challenge. Choose one of these tips and use it today in your conversations. Little by little, you'll sound more and more natural. If you found this useful, hit the like button, share this video, and let me know in the comments which tips you'll try first. See you tomorrow for day 53.